Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. So recently Nail Stamping Queen UK just became stockists for Profiles Backstage foil gel, and I just had to try it. We all know foils can be difficult to stick, so I thought I would give it a try. So in this video I'll be showing you the foil gels, but I'll also be doing a mani on myself as well. As always, you can find all product information in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So here they are. I purchased the clear and the black pots. Nail Stamping Queen UK had an offer on, and it was buy a pot and get 2 random foils free. So I also have 4 foils as well. The first foil is called Summer Days, and it's a 2-tone colour, pink and gold, and it's just beautiful. Then we have Champagne Hollow Laser. This is so pretty. It's so hollow though. Then we have Green Honeycomb. Again, this is hollow through and through. It's just amazing. And then finally we have Berry Burst. The effect on this one is just wow. Stick It is a super sticky foil gel. This clear is in a 0.35 ounce pot. There is some information on the back, and then the black Stick It foil gel is in a 0.25 ounce pot, so it's slightly smaller. So I like to have a pair of tweezers and a wax strip with isopropyl alcohol on when I open gel pots for the first time. However, when I opened these, I didn't need anything. But as you can see, this pot is absolutely full. There is, however, quite a lot of air bubbles, so hopefully once it's had time to settle, they will go away. And then the black is just the same. It looks super black though. I always like to have a wax strip with the isopropyl alcohol on when I'm working with gels, as I tend to get quite sticky with them. So I like to keep not only myself but everything I'm using clean and tidy. So I have a white and a black pop stick. I've not used these Stick It gels yet, and I want to see how sticky they are before I apply them to my nails. I have a gel brush, one for each pot. I always like to have one for each pot, and I'll be using the clear over the black and the black over the white, and this is just so you can see what I'm actually doing. So with a damp brush, and I've just wet it with isopropyl alcohol and damped it out, I'll pick up a small bead of this Stick It foil gel and apply this all over the pop stick, and you really don't need very much at all. A little goes a long way. I'll make sure my application is, however, thin and also even. I'll also make sure that my brush and pot are well out of my way when I go to cure. Now, curing is anywhere sort of between 30 to 60 seconds, and this will be depending on your lamp. I've done 30 seconds and it's cured really well. So let's see how sticky this is. I will say that's super sticky. I don't think I have any gels, and that's gel polishes, top coats, builder gels, that are that sticky. I can actually feel when I pull my finger off of it, it's got a really good grip on it. That's super tacky. I'm really excited to try this now. So let's apply the black and see what that is like. Now with these pots, they are quite thick, but Nail Stamping Queen UK also have the clear in a bottle, which is a lower viscosity, so it's a lot thinner, and people might get on better with using that one. I'm used to applying gels like this. Now, Nail Stamping Queen UK can only ship these gels to the UK, but Profiles website is in the description box as well. So again, I'll cure for 30 seconds. I am using a 48 watt UV and LED lamp, and that seems to have cured really well, and it feels exactly the same as the clear. So I'm excited to try different foils, pigments, reverse stamping, decals, water decals, anything that needs a sticky layer with these Stick It gels. I'm really excited. Now with cleaning the brushes, I've just used isopropyl alcohol and they've cleaned up really well. I will always use one brush per pot. I am waiting for some new gel brushes to arrive, so I'll be using some of them once they've arrived. So off camera, I've been super busy applying these foils to my nails. So on my right hand, I've gone for a green foil mani, and the foils I've used are the green honeycomb and champagne hollow laser, and I love the look it's created. The hollow from both foils is just amazing. I'm so happy with it. The Stick It foil gel made this so easy to apply the foils, I cannot tell you. So I used the Cuticle London rubber base coat and the no wipe rubber top coat, along with the new spring colour gel polish called Mojito Ice. And I've just applied one coat of the green gel polish. I didn't want full coverage as I was applying majority of the foil over the nail anyway. It was just there to give it a little bit of colour. Then for my left hand, I've gone pink. I've done 3 nails so far and I'll be doing the other 2 on camera. So the foils I used were Summer Days along with, again, the Champagne Hollow Laser. I'm not happy with my thumb. That was the first nail I did, and the tackiness of the Stick It using the foils really took me by surprise. I was like, oh, okay, right, less pressure this time. So again, I've used the Cuticle London rubber base coat along with the no wipe rubber top coat, and this time I've used a very pretty pink gel polish called Cotton Candy, and I'll be using these for the last 2 nails, which I'll now do on camera. I've already cut out the strips of the foils that I'm going to use, and these 2 foils will do both nails, which I will also be using the Stick It Clear as well. So I'll start by applying a thin layer of the Cuticle London rubber base coat, and I'll apply this my normal way of pushing the brush right up into that cuticle area and using the brush to get the base coat onto the nail, trying not to flood the cuticles and sidewalls. I will cap the free edge along with cleaning up any that I've got onto my skin. Once I've applied that, I will give that a cure for 30 seconds. Now I do have Blue Sky Gum Gel Overlay Enhancements on, so a base coat for me isn't really needed, but for natural nails it is. But I thought I would do one on myself anyway. Now with Cotton Candy, I'll apply 1 coat. It doesn't have to be perfect coverage as the foil will cover most of the colour, but I'd just like to make sure again that I've got a really good application and that it's a nice thin coverage as well. Along with capping the free edge, the colours are just there as a little colour on the nails. With gel polish colours, I do like to cure them for a full 60 seconds. This is just my personal preference. Now, to be honest, I can't remember the last time I used foils. It has been that long that I cannot remember. So now that's cured, it's time for the Stick It gel. So with my gel brush, I will pick up a small bead. Now any air bubbles that I have picked up as well, I will make sure that I pop them, and that's just by pressing the brush down a little bit more. And I'll apply the Stick It gel all over the whole nail, but I won't be capping the free edge. With foils, I need to keep that away from the free edge, sidewalls and cuticle areas. Now with this brush, because it's a really old brush, I am leaving lines, but this Stick It gel, if you leave it for a few seconds, you can actually see that they disappear, which is really cool. So with curing, I've actually upped the amount of time, and this is just for peace of mind. So I've actually upped it to 45 seconds. These pots are going to last a really long time. With the amount that's in the pots, being the pots are so full, along with how little you need of the product, these are going to last a really, really long time. It's time for the foils, so it's mostly Summer Days foil that I'm using with a tiny bit of Champagne Hollow Laser as well. And I'll just push this onto the nails. Because this Summer Days has a 2-tone colour to it, I am making sure that I'm getting a bit of both. Now I did find the pink foil, I didn't need to press very hard at all to get the foil to transfer. I could literally actually just lay it on there and just pull it away, and there was something there. With the gold, I did have to press a little harder, but all the foils that I've used have worked brilliantly with the Stick It. I love it. It's made using foils so much easier. I've even been back to Nail Stamping Queen UK to purchase some more foils as well, so I'm hoping they're going to arrive soon. Now I will say that the Stick It foil gel isn't cheap. The clear was £12.95 and that's UK pounds, and the black was £11.95 UK pounds. But this gel is going to last for a long time, and I've learned over the years that sometimes you just have to pay a little bit more to get a much better product. But personally, I think this Stick It foil gel is so worth the price. I will now be using foils and other products a lot more, and I honestly cannot wait. This is definitely a game changer. Now the filming of this video to the voiceover of this video, there's about a 4-day difference. I'm still wearing these nails that you can see on the screen, and they're still perfect. I can't fault this gel at all. So now that I'm happy with how it's applied, I'm going to top coat with the Kiki London No Wipe Rubber top coat, making sure that I seal all of the foil and the gel polish colour in. You could apply 2 coats, but because it's a rubber top coat and it's much thicker, I'm just going with the one. I will make sure I cap the free edge, and I will be wearing these nails for the next 2 weeks or so to see how it lasts. But after 4 days, they're going pretty strong so far. And after seeing Sarah R's video on the Stick It foil gel, I'm hopeful that these are going to last a long time. So I'll cure the top coat for a full 60 seconds and we are done. I will also apply some cuticle oils. My nails are extremely dry, but some gorgeous foil hollow nails. I'm so happy that I've now got these Profile Backstage foil gels in my collection. I'll be using them a lot more now. Super happy with how my nails look. The Stick It foil gel is just amazing and I love it. My mani pictures will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my mani tutorial on the Stick It foil gel. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.